This is Matt Holtquist, CPA from the Quickbooks University. Hey, I want to do this quick video for you on transferring funds between bank accounts. This is a common area. It's very simple to do in QuickBooks, and I see clients and other people do this incorrectly all the time, and the question just comes up, and it's just a very simple fix. So I wanted to walk you through that. Now, this situation is if you have multiple bank accounts and for your business, and you want to transfer funds between two different accounts. It's very simple in QuickBooks to do. People do this online, and then they have trouble going and recording this in QuickBooks, and it ends up being recorded as revenue or as expense or something along those lines, which is just incorrect. And so I want to show you the right way to do that. All right, so let's say that you have money in one bank account and you want to transfer it to another bank account, and you have already done this physically at the bank. Now you need to record this in QuickBooks. All right, so pretty easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to go to this banking drop-down menu, and you're going to see transfer funds. All right, so first thing you're going to do is put in the date. If you're class tracking, you would put in the class. If you're not, just leave it blank. So we're going to say transfer funds from checking, and we're going to transfer the funds to savings. All right, so you're going to see the account balances there. And let's say that we're transferring $10,000 to our savings account, and we hit save and close. Okay, this pop-up comes up, says the online transfer funds is not selected. That means that the transfer will occur only in your company file. Okay, it's just basically telling you to make sure you make this transfer at the bank. Hit OK, and it's done. So if we go over to our check register and take a look at our checking account, you will see right here where that funds transfer was recorded. It's coming out of the checking account. Let me close this. Now, if we go over to our savings, you're going to see that it was deposited in the savings. And that's it. Pretty simple. Okay. This is Matt Holtquist with the QuickBooks University. Head on over there at qbuniversity.org and sign up for our QuickBooks tutorials, where we teach you pretty much everything you need to know to run QuickBooks correctly.